I'm going to show you how to repair a turkey fan. I'm in my barber shop decorating. As you can tell, it's got a long ways to go. But what you see here is a broken fan mount, broken feather in the fan mount. I've got a couple out of a different fan that we're going to try to fix this one with. As you can tell, I don't have the right side, the curve of the spine in the feather, but it won't notice it. We're going to tuck it in just like it would go. I learned this trick being a barber. You can straighten a lot of the feathers out after you hang it. You take a little hairspray. We got some Joico power spray here. Just lightly hit that feather you're going to replace it with. Just let it touch a couple spots. Doesn't take long. As you can tell, I need to adjust it a little bit, but that hairspray will hold it good enough to put it on the wall. Thanks for watching.